name is Kayla. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some simple hairstyles. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
I'm starting off with moisturized, damp hair, and I'm making a middle part. When I finished, I went ahead and put half of my hair into a ponytail and started to braid the other half. Then I did the other side. So that is the first style, and if you want to wear it slightly different, you can take out the ends of the two braids and just put it in a ponytail or a bun. For the next style, I'm using the same part, and with one half of my hair tied away, I'm brushing the other side up into a position where I would want my bun. Then I start wrapping my hair tie around, making a ponytail, and on the last loop, I don't pull my ends all the way through. I take my hair that's in the loop and flare it out to make the shape of the bun that I want. Lastly, I do the same thing on the other side. The finished style is two cute space buns. For style number 3, it's a little complicated to explain, but basically I'm starting with that same middle part and I'm making two rectangular parts on each side of my hair. From there, it's a little hard to see, but I split each of those rectangular parts in half, making 4 square parts. After that, I take the front 2 square parts and put those in rubber bands. Then, as you can see in the video, I take 1 square part and cross it over to the opposite side and secure that with an elastic band and do that on both sides. So that's just a simple, cute rubber banded hairstyle, and from there you can do whatever you want with the rest of the hair. I chose to show what it would look like with a low ponytail and a bun. And that's the completed look. So style 4 is a lot more simple. I'm starting off by making a side part. After that, I detangle my hair so that I can make a nice slick side ponytail. At this point, I decided to add a little bit of gel to make sure that it was smooth. After making the ponytail, I decided to add a cute baby pin, and then I went and showed you guys what it would look like with a bun. That is the completed look for style number 4. And finally, for style number 5, I'm going to use the same deep side part and turn around to show you guys how I'm sectioning a piece of hair in the back. From that section of hair, I'm just taking a bunch of smaller pieces and twisting them. So I'm going to go ahead and twist most of my hair and then come back and show you what it looks like. After twisting the rest of my hair, this is what the final style looks like.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Currently editing, it's taking a very long time, so you guys should like and subscribe. Yay!